Very good morning, friends. This is Dinesh Kumar, and you're watching RNJ Academy. I'm here again with the same topic, vocabulary words and synonyms. This topic is very important for you. As you all know, vocabulary words play a very important role in any kind of exam. Any kinds of exam, like SSC, CGL, Air Force, NDA, CDS, or TGT, PGT English. And I am here with three beautiful words which are very important, and these three words have been asked many times in competitive exams. Let us see what are they without any delay. First one is stimulating. Stimulating means quick. Stimulating means very quick, बहुत तेज. और इसका फर्स्ट सिनोनिम होगा nimble. Nimble, remember it. Nimble is very important. Nimble, first word is nimble. Second one is brisk. Brisk walk जैसे होता है तेज, एकदम quick, brisk, brisk walk. Next one is energetic, बहुत ज्यादा ऊर्जा से भरा हुआ. जब हम कोई काम बहुत तेजी से करते हैं, जैसे हम तेज से चल रहे हैं, ब्रिस्क वॉक कर रहे हैं, तो हम कहते हैं बहुत एनर्जेटिक है. एनर्जेटिक भी उसी में आता है. साथ ही देखिए स्पिरिटेड. स्पिरिटेड इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ देम. स्पिरिटेड मीन्स फुल ऑफ एनर्जी, फुल ऑफ एंथुसियाज्म. नेक्स्ट वन इज विगोरस. विगोरस, तेज, वेरी फास्ट, विगोरस. सो एंथुसियास्टिक भी इसमें हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट वन इज नॉनसेंस. That which is not having proper sense, that is also counted among stimulating nonsense. It's a negative part of that. Negative meaning of stimulating. Next one is refreshing. Now, ekdam fresh, refreshing. That refreshes everything. That is quick. And next was invigorating. Invigorating means vigorating is also there. Invigorating means making something very quick or energetic. Next one is active. See, simple words are also there. Active, बहुत तेज. अगला है lively. Lively, alive, lively. Next is agile, that which is very agile. And alert means on the alert, on some signal, on alert, on situation to get information very quick. And next one is busy. And one more word I can tell you, enthusiastic. So these are the words which are synonym of stimulating. Once again, stimulating means quick, nimble, brisk, energetic, spirited, vigorous, nonsense, refreshing, invigorating, active, lively, agile, alert, and busy. Let us see second word. Second one is homologous. Homo means same. That you know, homo. Homo means same, and we'll see the synonym of homologous means congruous. Log means leg say. So homologous means seems equal. Congruous, for two triangles we may use the word congruous in mathematics. So homologous means congruous. And let us see synonyms of this. First one is proper. Proper. Proper is also like equal, equal or proper. Next one is agreeable, that which can be agreeing, that which you can agree on, that is agreeable. Next is matched. Two things are matching each other, matched. So matched is also counted among homologous. Next one is consistent, continuous, consistently, consistent, equal, continuous, or matching something. Next is identical, एक जैसा दिखने वाला, identical. Homogeneous, that which has the quality of homogeneous, homogeneous. Next one is uniform, एक रूपता. And next one is analogous. Analogous, homologous, analogous, homogeneous. Beautiful words. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि homologous के synonyms होंगे congruous, proper, agreeable, matched, consistent, identical, homogeneous, uniform, and analogous. Let us see the last word is disformity. Form means structure and disformity means structure in a wrong way, in a twisting way, twist. Kurup, you can say kurupata, not akurupata, opposite of the first word. Now let us see the synonyms of this disformity. Next synonym of disformity is deformation. That which is not in a proper way formed, that is deformation, जो ठीक ढंग से नहीं बना है. Next one is perversion. Perversion, perversion, aversion, perversion. That is made but not properly. Perversion. Next one is disfigured. जो proper figure ना हो, disfigure हो, कुरूप हो. Next one is falsity. गलत होना, wrong होना. Next one is misshape. Misshape means the shape is not in a proper way, that which is missing, like not in a proper way. Next one is contortion. Contortion, contradictory things, like जो एक जैसा नहीं है, contortion, अलग होना. अगला है wryness, WRY, wryness and disfigurement. Wryness is also one of them, which means not being made in a simple way. And disfigurement, that you know, figure means matching something, disfigurement means unmatching something. Like, let us see, deformity, disformity means twist, and its synonyms are deformation, perversion, disfigure, falsity, misshape, contortion, wryness and disfigurement. So dear viewers, this was a session related to vocabulary words and synonyms. I hope you liked this session. If you like the session, please do like the video and subscribe the channel. We'll see again in next session. Thank you and Jai Hind.